Welcome, child nutrition professionals. Are you looking for high quality, versatile, easy to use products to use in the variety of serving types that we use in child nutrition, such as on the tray line, grab and go, curbside? Well, if that is you, you have come to the right place. My name is Chef Brenda. I'm also a registered dietitian and I standardize recipes for child nutrition programs. And I'm so excited to share with you today one of my favorite products. I'm here with Butterball and I want to talk to you about their fully cooked thigh roast that is so delicious. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this thigh roast, stick it into one of my steam table pans, and I'm going to go ahead and release all of these juices and put the thigh turkey roast into the pan. I like to cook the juices with the thigh roast because it keeps all those wonderful flavors in the thigh roast and also keeps it very moist. So the next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to break it up so that the cooking time takes less time. So you can see it's so easy to break it up with my hands into smaller chunks. You can cut it too if you'd like. So there I broke it up, this roast into about 6 pieces. So 5 or 6 pieces per roast. You can put more than one roast if you use a full size steam table pan. I like to use the 4-inch because when I go in here to shred it or dice it or whatever I want to do, it's easier. It gives me a little bit more room. So speaking of shredding and dicing, I want to show you what I did with this cooked thigh roast. So you can shred it cold or dice it cold. If you're going to shred it, it is a lot easier to shred when it's already been warm. But I shred it with some forks and look how beautiful this product came out. It's so nice and shredded, just very beautiful. And then I also diced up some to show you what that looks like. So these are large chunks. You could do smaller chunks, bigger chunks. This product is so versatile. There's so many different things that we can use it for. So you can do shredded barbecue nachos, you could do tacos, you could use the diced in soups and stews. You could use both of them in grab and go salads. Those are really popular right now on our curbside and grab and go service. And the diced is delicious with a little bit of gravy for tray service. So it's very versatile and there are so many wonderful things you can do. So I recommend that you go to Butterball's website and check out all of the recipes that we've created and standardized for child nutrition because they are delicious and I think you're going to be very excited, just as excited as I am. Thank you so much for watching and we look forward to seeing you at the Butterball website.